Did you know that in 1997, underwater microphones detected a sound so loud and mysterious that scientists thought it came from a massive unknown sea creature? They called it the Bloop. This ultra-low frequency sound was louder than any whale and could be heard across 5,000 kilometers of ocean. For years, people imagined giant monsters lurking in the deep, but the truth was far more unsettling. The Bloop wasn't from a creature at all. It was the sound of our planet's ice sheets cracking and shifting, revealing Earth's hidden geological fury.